guys, it's another episode on your best political show on the web right now. On the show, as you know, we'll bring you all the trending goes in the Nigerian politics, how it is happening, our own analysis, our opinions, and then we'll give you the room to tell how you feel about it. I am Adenike, Layo, Sobo, and of course, as usual, I have my very energetic host with me in the studio, Mr. Laurence, Nosa, Oke-Hortons. Hi, Laurence.
I'm good. How you doing? You're looking sweet today.
Oh,
Come on.
What do you mean today? Do you mean other time?
No, you okay. I didn't. But you're looking.
I understand you.
Yeah. So hello guys, what's up? It's nice to be back. As ever, you know what I do, you know how we do it, and what we bring to the table for you guys. Nike, over the weekend, certain things happen, and you know it just begins to baffle on the mind. Is our Nigerian security system completely in the dustbin? You know, just some 7 days ago, the Nigerian Defense Academy was attacked.
Yeah.
You know, the defense academy.
Defense, like it shook me, and everyone was like, "Oh, if the Defense Academy is not safe, then tell me where
is safe? It's safe. You know what's left for the ordinary civilian? Because it was breached, and not just breached, they leave it, were breached and then they catch them to a different thing. It was breached, they kidnapped persons, they killed people, a major for that matter, and then a squadron leader, and then they still, you know, they took away a major also, a senior officer was abducted and taken away, and they escaped actually, and they are yet to be identified till now. As if that wasn't bad enough. As if that wasn't bad enough. You know, the week before that we heard of the Plateau killings, and then this happens the following, and then yesterday, the son of Senator Bala Nahala was murdered in his home.
And he's even a captain.
The captain, also a captain, he is a pilot and a captain. Just young, vibrant souls being lost. It just puts you on the edge of what is happening. And you know, all of this thing is now happening in a particular region. So much. It's in the northwest, happening in Kaduna. The Kaduna is the epicenter of all of this. And other states which these things have been happening all share borders with Kaduna State. So there's definitely something in that region that certain people are fighting for, or they have interest, because bandits or these people are criminals. A bandit, you say bandits, or they are criminals. This is an organization or a group of people who have come together to perpetrate certain kind of evils or carry out certain kind of organized crimes. Sure you get. So these people, what is happening in Kaduna? Why is there so much killing happening in Kaduna?
Well, I think some time ago there was a revelation that gold was, you know, found in Zamfara state, and if we look at it, Zamfara is kind of close, shares border. Shares a lot of. Also, Naija
shares border with Kaduna.
So probably we could
Plateau State also actually even share border. Castina, where
really share border, but I think they are in the same kind of region. So if you look at it, it may feel like, oh, probably that gold is the reason. But I really don't want to believe
it's because of the resources that is being found.
Abductions as dated back to in Nigeria, back to say for long. But this Boko Haram was about 2014. They have been in existence, you know, but they have been abducting students in 2014 and all. So if this gold is the thing, how come students, you know are getting involved in this? Take a look at Chibok students. They were abducted. That was Borno. Dapti students.
But that was in the northeast.
I'm just saying, like, this thing. So yes, in as much as it is so much in the northwest, but we can't say other places too. It doesn't happen, and then we cannot say, oh, it is because of this gold. You know, I'm linking it to this revelation of gold in Zamfara. Now, coming back to Kaduna, of course, Kaduna has had a lot. There is this school of
forestry and mechanization at Afaka. It's barely just 5 miles or so from the Defense Academy, right?
Just imagine that. Then there's this case of Greenfield University.
Also in Kaduna State.
They were abducted, they were killed. I think about
three
or five were killed, and they were abducted, they took ransom, and then they released some others. So the thing is, I don't feel that it is centered around that goal. There must be something more. There must be something more.
But the question would be, further probing is, if it is not gold, What are those? What are those things? What are those things that leads to people begin to commit crimes? It is money. It is wealth. I've always urged the opinion that whatever is happening in the Northeast till date, some people are behind these things who are making a lot of money.
Always be behind
of course, people, yeah. No, sometimes certain things might come out of the being of a society. Say a particular group probably had been oppressed for a while, and then they begin to fight back. That might happen but this is organized.
Not this kind.
So you get, see, if things happen, if it happens in sparks, right? People fight over here, then they now come together. Oh, you people are killing us, we are being oppressed, we are fighting back. That's a different thing. It happened because of consciousness and over years.
Which doesn't even make it right.
It doesn't make it right, but you say, okay, it had built over years and then they are fighting back. This is not certain people fighting back. This is an organized criminal group. They buy weapons. They target people. We go there, this school, we want to kidnap kids. We take them and we ask for ransom. Where are they hiding? Why is the government not going there?
But the government said it knows where they are. So why exactly is the government? And that brings me to this this ex-Navy chief that spoke on in an interview recently. He was saying the government knows where those people are. The government knows the sponsors, and the sponsors are top politicians. We cannot prove that, but that is, of course,
we have to be careful with that statement.
Exactly, we have to be careful. But for someone who has been in the Navy, he analyzed the NDA security system, and it won't be possible for that kind of breach if not that an insider and then somebody that's getting something right behind it. But all in all, I think the government is not just taking the right approach, because over time these things have been happening and it still keeps happening.
So what would you say is the right approach?
Well, I'm not going to agree 100%, but I just with Governor El-Rufai. I just feel like of Kaduna State.
So you support him saying he will never negotiate with bandits, that he stays the stance of him, no negotiation.
There should be no negotiation, because these people, and then the funniest thing is you guys are not coming out to prescribe them, say, oh, bandits are this, like you are doing.
The thing is that they are different. They are a different faction. You see, when we look at the IPOB,
I'm not in support of IPOB anyway.
No, I get. But it is not a particular body staying somewhere.
But you people say where they are.
The thing is,
Lai Mohammed says the government knows where these people are. So why are you not going there?
The difference is going by what Sheikh Gumi said. He said the bandits, there are some in Kaduna, there are some in Naija.
They are just springing up in different places.
And then they have different leaders controlling different ones. There's no central leader.
But if the DSS needs to find an individual out, they will fish the person out. So why is it?
And they actually the information
all of them, wherever they may be.
See, the problem here is, I feel we can't just go in and you go in gun blazing and kill everybody, because once you do that, there's definitely going to be casualties of war.
But once you have the information of where they are, these are the people you are looking
for. Have you gone to Kaduna State before?
Have I? I think I know. I just passed
by. That place is very big.
I know, of course, yes.
It is very big. And there are forest areas where there's so much. It is quite difficult.
Okay, so what is your recommendation? How do you think?
Like you were going to say, I think to some level we probably might agree on that. But I feel what Governor El-Rufai is saying, pick up these people once you catch them, kill them. No, I don't know. No, we're not cannibals. I don't think we're barbaric to that nature. But rather, what I feel is, in the right sense of it, yes, go in. We know this area these guys are populated there. They have not gotten to the border yet where they are escaping easily. So we know they are in a particular area. Yes. Go there in full force, catch as many of them as you can, and then prosecute them in a very decisive manner. Kind of the prosecution, I mean, you go there, these people have been put them in front of create a panel, a probing panel right there. This thing should not be more than a month or 2 months. If there's those that needs to be killed, let it go through the right system of the law.
Some bandits don't need to be killed. Because he said if there are those that need to be killed. I say
he said through the right process of the law. The law needs to be able to prove that these people, are criminals. That's why I say those that need. There are some people, they might be criminals, but their crimes might not be as aggravating that they should be probably executed. So what I'm saying is, be decisive in it. Within 3 months, this person has done something wrong. Yes, if that person needs to go, then that person goes. Once other ones sees that if they catch 1, 2, 3 and they lose their heads, people will start to behave now.
Okay, guys, let us know what you think in the comment section as we bring the show to a close today. Thank you so much for staying tuned. This is Adenike, Layo. Thank you.
And this is Nosa Oke-Hortons. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment on our statement as we said. And see you same time, same place next week.